Hey guys, what you doing?
We're just on our favorite social media.
Yeah, man, we're tweeting.
Why do you look so sad?
I don't think my dad likes me very much. He's always correcting me. It's like I can do nothing right. I know it's Father's Day, but I'm mad at him. And I don't want to give him this super awesome gift I made.
What? Your dad loves you, man. Why would you even think that? He doesn't like you.
Well, the other day, he told me to clean my room, and after we would go to the beach. So I told him I cleaned it, even though I didn't, so we could go sooner.
But that's a lie!
Yeah, that's what my dad said. And when we got back and he saw it was still dirty, he grounded me. I can't fly anywhere for 1 week.
Well, man, your dad might have had a
But
good...
that's not the only thing. It was my turn to go down the slide at the park. But one of the other little birds tried to go ahead of me. So I pushed my way up front so I could go down first.
Oh no!
The little bird started crying. My dad told me I cannot push to get my way. But it's not fair. It was my turn.
Well, it sounds like your dad loves you very much, man. He's trying to get you on the correct path. It's sometimes hard for parents. They have to correct to keep you and others safe and show you how God wants us to be.
Proverbs 22:6 says, "Start children off the way they should go, and even when they are old, they will not turn from it." Your father does not dislike you. He loves you enough to correct you.
Oh, now I understand.
And hopefully, you will start to do what God wants you to do first. Then your father won't have to correct you so much, man.
Wow, thanks for helping me understand. I feel so much better now. Now will you help me guys again?
Sure, man. What do you need?
I wrote a song for my dad for Father's Day. Will you help sing it?
Yeah!
All right, let's do it.
Okay, hit it, Pastor Mark.
I hate when he's cranky. I hate when he's mad. Or when he worries about his family. Sometimes his jokes aren't that funny. But he's cool and I love him anyways. Cruising down Pacific Coast Highway, we're having fun, just 101. We are so lost, we're gonna be late. Won't ask for help from no one. Going on back, flames up so high. The burgers are so charred, I think they're fried. But he is so proud, but I can't eat them no more. When I say that I am hungry, I don't mean my name is hungry. You make fun of your dead body. A father's fake is what I see. Looks like another dad joke. It's Father's Day. We love him. It's Father's Day. We love him. Look at that mower. Look at those trees. Look over there, Dad's pulling his weeds. Look at my father, ain't nothing like him, no way. Throwing out directions, we love him. Rest in your eyes, we love him. Being my biggest fan, we love him. Stink feet, we love him. We love him. We love him. We love our dad. It's Father's Day. We love him.